hate ice.
Well, this is what the ice storm's done.
Yeah. We had one a few years ago that was pretty bad.
Yeah, that was back in 2000. This one may have been even worse. Just looking at how some of the trees are broken. Like that big one over there.
All those big limbs broke off. It's like crack,
yeah, just look at all those big branches that are broken.
I lost some heavy.
There goes another one from somewhere.
Yeah, it's off that way somewhere.
Yeah, it's not. It's in another direction.
It's off that way though. Farther off that way.
Yeah, couldn't see where it was at.
Boy,
But ice is just covering everything.
I got so real ice in that basketball.
Yeah. Look at that. Just ice all over it. Right now we're getting some sleet.
Look at that basketball.
Looks like it's sleet mixed
that basketball
with
goes solid
freezing
ice
rain.
too. Look at Nick.
Yeah, there's the basketball goal.
Oh, there goes that limb right there.
Oh.
It just.
And look at the trees in our yard. Look at that one up there. Man, it's just...
It's itching to come down.
It's just all broken up.
If it falls, it'll take that power line with it.
I don't think the whole tree's gonna fall,
No, I'm saying some of those limbs will take those power lines with it.
Where was that one?
It's back there.
Oh, there I see it. Yeah, there I saw that one.
Boy, there's gonna be a lot of cleaning up after this ice storm. Everybody's...
Yeah, damn sure.
I wonder how icy the roads are.
I don't know. The roads may not be that icy, but
I'm gonna go up there and
the trees and everything sure are. Don't get under those power lines. Don't get close to them. The electricity cannot...
No, I'm looking.
Yeah, but they'll fall really fast. I've seen videos of ice storms before.
Don't get any closer.
Yeah, just don't get any closer than that.
I wasn't looking over that yard over there.
There's the crepe myrtle covered in ice.
Boy, they're sitting right down to those power lines, those Mexicans next door. Sitting right under those power lines.
Man, this is just amazing.
Pat just come outside, she's like, holy shit.
Wow.
Right there.
Yeah, I miss a lot of them, but they're breaking so fast.
Boy, that wind is cold.
Yeah, it is.
That wind was what, 10 degrees it feels like?
That one there might come down.
That wind feels like 10 degrees.
Now I should be able to get a good image of some of these big trees when they start to fall.